Today in the livestock market, cattle was firm. It looks like the futures are a little bit range bound for now. It's going back to March 1st. We've kind of like been in that channel between 118 and 120. But some traders are kind of optimistic that the seasonal spring rally is starting. Seeing that we had 3 days that tested that 118 low, there was just some optimistic trades and people wanting to kind of jump into the market. Technically speaking, that really is bringing in some bargain hunters to come in and start buying those futures, and that's kind of what it looks like right now. Now, feeders were strong. The futures did climb to a new high for the third day in a row, and that indicates that there's a little bit of a boost in demand, and maybe for the next couple of weeks, that should really underpin futures and give it some support. And I think that we've been needing it because we've been kind of on a slide for quite a while. The feedlot optimism also is keeping them holding back for higher bids from the packers, and mostly because they're looking at that the food service is beginning to open, and as the vaccine gets rolled out, that we could have the economics or the economy in general just could expand, and that would be a positive really for the beef complex as a whole. Now, hogs by itself, it did gap higher. Just no stopping that rally. I think the June prices really have reached a fever pitch right now, and these numbers we haven't seen since 2014. And, but for now, it's difficult to know for sure how bad the African swine fever is happening in China or how bad it's expanding. But based on the demand out of there, it looks like things aren't looking that good for right now. So the futures just have more room to rise on the upside. And it looks like, for the foreseeable future that there is still plenty of room to move a little bit higher. So that's going to be something to watch going forward. Not to say that we're not overbought here, but the market's still looking very strong. Fundamentals are supporting that move.